Dreaming of transforming your home on your own? I'm Rachel Taylor, also known as Rachel Builds, because, well, I build stuff. For over 15 years, I've been revamping spaces with stunning makeovers. And now I'm here to help you. In each episode, a lucky family gets to take the wheel with me and the help of my amazing crew designer, Chloe, and carpenter, Cullen. With the right tools, anything is possible. This is Dream Room in a Day.
I'm Missy. I'm married to Jim, and we have one son, Dylan, who's 21 years old. He no longer lives with us, but it's just the two of us here in our home. We love animals. We have 2 dogs of our own, and we also foster for lab rescue. So a lot of times we have lab puppies that are running around in the house, and we're chasing after them. And we've fostered over 50 dogs to date. Honestly, it's more than that. I just don't know what the count is. But yeah, we do quite a bit. We've taken a break for a little bit just because my husband has back issues. He needs to have spinal fusion surgery. So it's difficult for myself to have our 2 dogs and the puppies, but we're still helping out with the rescue and helping our friends who foster cover their dogs from time to time. We built this house. It's just been 3 years that we've lived here. I've been going through the house room by room, pretty much making it our own and put our own little touches on it, whether it's trim molding or changing colors out, or even just changing out the light fixtures, you name it. I love having ease and comfort and smart technology, but also functionality that looks good. The one space that I just have not been able to do, it leads me to no end of frustration, is our laundry room. Right now it serves 2 purposes. It's where we feed our dogs, so I call it the dog feeding station, and then also laundry room. And really it's just a plain room with the washer and dryer, 1 shelf, and dog bowls and a dog food bin on the floor. Come up with so many different thoughts and ideas of what to do in the room, but it's just every time I think I have it set, then something else comes up and I see something else on social media. I'm like, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. So I just haven't been able to nail it down myself.
We're here with Missy. She's an avid DIYer, also amazing dog rescuer, and she needs our help with her laundry room. Let's go in and check everything out and see what we can help her with.
Hey, Rachel.
Oh my goodness, it's so good to see you, Missy.
Oh, I'm so happy you're here.
Are you
so
excited?
Much. I'm so excited.
I am too. Let's go get that laundry room.
Awesome. Let's
All
go.
right. Oh, there she is.
It's our dog food / laundry room.
Oh my goodness. So this space is a space that's going to be for not just you, but your animals as well.
Yes.
Talk to me about how you use it.
So we have 2 labs right now, and this is their dog feeding station. So we have their bowls separate so that they each have their little space. Storage is definitely a challenge for us.
Okay, so dog zone.
Absolutely, it's got to be a dog zone. And
Okay.
we also foster for rescue, so sometimes when we have the puppies, it's a great place to kind of be able to store the puppies when we have them. There's also limited storage, so
Okay.
what I really would love to have in this room all in one space, so it's easy access.
So you really do need a dog station.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Check that box. Talk to me about color.
I love light, bright colors, like sea glass-ish maybe. I don't like dark and moody. I like light and bright and happy.
I also heard that your husband's about to have surgery.
Yes, my husband has to have spinal fusion surgery. So for him right now, like if he dropped a napkin on the floor, he couldn't even bend over and pick it up. So if these actually were at a higher level where we could actually reach in, that would be so much better. So much better.
Gotcha. I want to give you a space where if that door is open and guests walk through, they see a lovely POV here and sort of represent the rest of the house and the vibe that we're getting just outside of this door.
That is the plan. Like that, I would love that.
That's
if I
the
had a
dream.
room. Yes, exactly.
Wonderful.
Exactly.
Okay, well, I need to get going so that we can get this done in a day.
Sounds good.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Thank you.
We've got a big day ahead of us. We've got the paint crew already here and we've got big plans for the space. It's only 60 square feet, but we've got a lot to do. So we're ready to go. Let's hit it. I think the goal is just to take this out as gently as possible because when we do so, there's a lot less wall patch repair.
Yeah.
So you get your pick of glasses. Would you like beautiful blue?
Oh, blue, yeah.
Wonderful. I think that the mustard matches me.
Yeah, Rachel had some really awesome ideas, and she asked questions that I didn't even think about.
Look at her. Let's go, Missy. Beautiful. And there's a couple more in there. Yeah.
After hearing her perspective, I'm actually really excited and can't wait to see how things come together.
All right. Got it. And I love this rubber mallet because it really just allows. There we go. Opa! Okay, so the next thing I love to do whenever I'm doing tear out is making sure that that spackle knife gets around these edges here, because we don't want to rip things away, because oftentimes the paint is several layers, so you'll get this big old chunk out, and that's not fun. So I get in here with the spackle knife, tamp it.
So when I was young, I actually got into refinishing furniture, and over time that's built. Like, I remember taking shop classes and starting to build things, and I just loved the fact that I could do it.
I think we can just take it out by hand. There it goes. Perfect. Now we're committed. We're in it, Missy.
There's no turning back now.
All righty.
Not too long ago, I actually used to work for a company that had a bunch of woodworkers and home builders that within the company. And actually, a lot of the woodworkers taught me really awesome skills.
Yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Get it, girl. Let's go.
Gave me the confidence to try and do it on my own, and I've done it, and the more I do it, kind of the more addicted I get to it.
Beautiful. Ooh. I love it. Functional storage is key in this space. We removed one shelf and we'll be replacing it with something even better. Okay, we are moving along. Today has been a really busy day.
Yes.
I want to show you how easy this project is with one of my favorite brushes. This is Wooster's Hook and Hold, and let me tell you, this little 2.5-inch brush is absolutely fantastic. This has a built-in swivel hook, so when you're painting, all you have to do is hook it on the edge of your can.
Perfect.
Game changer! Truly, I'm the messiest painter in the world. And every single time I'm always hunting around for a place to set my brush. But whether you have a tray or a can or a bucket, it will hook on all three and save yourself all the drama and the mess. So one quick coat, front, back, and all the sides, and then you're finished.
Perfect.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right, you got this. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Something Rachel has taught me is how important it is to have the right brush, and it's amazing what a difference it makes when you do have the right brush. So now, after using the Worcester brush, it's really exciting because painting won't be as much of a pain anymore. Some things that would be frustrating before actually have become much easier now with the brushes.
Wow! That is just beautiful. Everything is really smooth. Your job here is done.
Thank you.
And I'm actually gonna kick you out, and then we're gonna see you at the reveal.
Can't wait.
Oh, I'm so excited for you.
Thank you.
Oh, said thank you.
So anybody who knows me knows that giving up control is not the easiest thing to do. But after speaking to Rachel and everything that she, her thoughts and ideas, I completely trust her, and I cannot wait to see how it all comes together.
There she blows. We want to do T111 right here on this face and another T111 here in between the two units. You think we got this?
Let's try it.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. The truck is here. We're ready to roll in the furniture, the decor, and get things moving. We got to rush. I'm so thrilled that we were able to build these pedestals for Missy because her husband is about to go through a surgery and he can't lean over. So we've lifted everything up. This was a huge ask for her. We solved a major problem.
It was really important to us to get a mirror in this space. It's a rather small room, so we want to make it look as big as possible.
I wanted to make sure that this sideboard made this room feel like another space that's like a living room, not just a utility room.
Can you reach?
I've got you beat in the height
I
department.
think you do. I love that.
Missy,
Yes.
I have the next chapter of your laundry room ready for you. Are you ready to see it?
So ready.
Okay, come on with me.
Let's go.
Welcome to your new laundry room.
Oh my God. Like, I am wow.
Speechless?
Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Missy dreamed about this space for months and months. She couldn't decide on what design style, what materials to use, and how to organize it, but we did everything for her and she absolutely loved it. Her reaction was priceless.
Look at the storage. Look at how pretty it is. Look how actually accessible it is because it's up front and I can reach it myself. This is huge, but oh my God, this makes it a whole nother room.
When we first talked, we introduced the idea of a sideboard, a piece of furniture in a utility room. What?
Which blew my mind.
But now we have a folding station.
Yes.
We have storage underneath that gives you a little bit more for maybe linen closet, maybe cleaning supplies.
Do you remember what it looked like in here?
Boy, oh boy, do I remember what it looked like. We had
So
a wall half painted.
Yep.
We had a storage container filled with kibble.
Yep.
Now you have a beautiful, presentable space that looks like the rest of your home.
It's elegant, it's pretty, it's functional, it's, oh, thank you so much, it's beautiful.
You told me that you wanted the dogs to be able to eat in here without it being a mess, and you wanted them to be slightly separated
Yes.
when they're eating so they don't fight for each other's food.
Exactly. That is brilliant. Why do I not think of these things? Like, this is the thing, it's like, this is amazing.
Here's the thing with it as well. It just lifts right out and all
Easy.
of the dog kibble
goes
gets
there
stored right there.
and I can vacuum it too and clean the bowls.
That's
and
exactly right.
That's genius.
I'm so glad you like it.
Oh my God, and plus I could use it for extra storage
Absolutely.
too for their food.
Yep.
You don't think that you're gonna get this much more out of a room. You know, and it's to what you've added to it and how much more I'm going to be able to do in here and store in here, and I cannot thank you enough. This is
I'm
amazing.
so incredibly thrilled. And we really hope you use this space and adore it and love it.
You checked
for
boxes
years.
and more though. It's like,
Oh, I'm so thrilled.
it's like, oh my God.
Well, teamwork makes the dream work, and we're so happy to give you a dream room in a day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
For a space that I've been struggling with for over 3 years, I cannot believe that we got this all done in one day.